Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, in this video today we'll see how to operate or how to use Google Pay, which was formerly known as Google Tej. So in this video, let's go how to use Google Pay. Well, first of all, we have to download the app from the Play Store. So you have to go to Play Store and download Google Pay, or in bracket it's called Tej. Once you download it, this page will come. So here you can click open. And once you click open, it will ask you for the mobile number. Here you can see that there will be two mobile numbers already hovering, which is already in your mobile set. So you can directly click also in that mobile number where it's already in your SIM. So you have to click next. So once you click next, it will ask you for what kind of email ID you want to select. By default, it will show some email ID that were already logged in your mobile set, but I'll edit it. We'll change Google account. I'll go for something which I regularly use. I'll go for that. So once I do this, all these things are changed. Mobile email ID is changed. I'll click next. Once I click next, one OTP will be sent. The OTP is auto-verified. It will auto-verify the OTP and verify your mobile number, that is your own mobile number. How to open a Google Pay? It will show two options, like use a screen lock or create a Google PIN. So I'll preferably use my screen lock to open the Google app. I'll then click continue. It's already selected, you can see here. Once I continue, it will show us to confirm your screen lock pattern, PIN or password. So I'll press. So once I confirm it, I have entered into my Google Pay page. So here it is showing that you can pay friends, pay bills, recharge mobile or make friends, bank transfer, etc. etc. Okay. So since I've already reinstalled this Google Pay, once I've uninstalled and again I've installed, so it is showing that for your security, your account has been disabled temporarily on Google Pay. Do you want to restore it? I'll press as yes. So it will ask for activating my bank account. For the first time users, you have to select your bank account here. You need to have your UPI link account where the UPI pin is already there, or else you have to create that UPI pin as well. So since I already have, I'll just activate this account number. My UPI ID is also created, so it's showing account information, UPI ID. I'll just activate this. So once I activate, it will ask for allowing. Okay, allow. So it will find HDFC Bank's account linked to the mobile number that I have put in Google Pay, that I've already entered in Google Pay. So preferably go for those mobile number which is already a bank account is linked with that mobile number. It will be very helpful or useful for creating a UPI pin or for linking your bank account to Google Pay. I'll press OK. So it is verifying with my partner bank. So it's asking that your mobile number and device is successfully captured for UPI registration. UPI payment registration on Google app has begun. If not initiated by you, please report immediately to bank. All these things in your SMS, it has come. So I'll just activate my account here. So your UPI account has been linked. Now it has been activated as well. So now you can put in your PIN and start your Google Pay activities. I'll just put in my PIN so that Google Pay UPI is activated. So my bank account is activated now. So my account information, UPI IDs, all the things are showing on the mobile. You'll also see once you do that, you have successfully registered for UPI payment as well. So once you do this, you can go back. This is the home page of your Google Pay. So here there's something called you want to pay. When you go to a shop, I'll just press new payment. Okay. When you go to a shop, there will be either you can pay by mobile number, so on a UPI QR code you can see by that also, or bank transfer as well. So by bank transfer, there's one option. First option is bank transfer. Once you press this bank transfer, you can put in their account number. Again, you have to re-enter the account number, your IFSC code of the person whom you want to send, and his name. So once you enter the detail, it will ask for continuing, and you can enter your money, how much amount you want to pay, all these things, and then go for the bank transfer. So Okay, so there is something called phone number, which is widely used among friends or among your near circles. So once you press this phone number, it will ask you for the number. You can check, enter their Google Pay phone number preferably. Okay, once you enter the mobile number, you have to press this verify. Once you verify, the person name will come, and from there you can say or verify that yes, this is the actual person to whom I'm sending money. So once you click OK here, it will take you to another page. Or if you already have sent some money, it will show the history of transaction. So you have to click something like pay or request here. So you can either request as well as pay in this Google Pay. So I want to pay. I'll press pay here. Okay, I'll press tick here. Once I do that, it will ask you to proceed to pay and it will show you the bank account from where you will be debited. So I'll press proceed to pay. So once you do that, it will ask for the UPI PIN ID as well. So once you pressed, it's saying that payment processing. So I think the payment has been done. One tick mark has come and the person has been paid. So you can see one SMS has come, like some 10 rupees has been debited from my account. So this is how you can pay by using mobile number, which is widely used between your colleagues, between your friends, to transfer money. But when you are going to something like a shop, you will not be entering the phone number mostly, because the easiest way for them is to show UPI ID or QR. So you can just press here UPI ID or QR. I'll show you. I don't have anything here right now, so I'll just show you open code scanner. Once you open this, it will ask for the first time, it will ask for to allow take pictures or record video. Just allow. Once you allow, this camera screen will come, which will be you can see from Paytm app, in Paytm app as well. This camera screen you can see, well, this is like black granite surface, so it's completely black. So behind that, you can just show this to the UPI or QR scan, that page QR scan that is kept in the shop. Just place your camera before that, it will capture the QR code, and automatically it will capture the UPI ID as well. From that, it will automatically select the recipient to whom you will be sending the money. It's quite easy. In shops, mostly you'll be using this option. It's very easy, like mobile sending. And once you do that, there's something called here some options are like recharge and pay bills. You can mobile recharge, bill payments, you can do all these things. At last, there is something called rewards. In the last row, you can see there's something called promotions, offers, or rewards. So something like rewards or offers in the promotion page. You can see how much rewards you have earned, and whenever I'm paying something, Google Pay is giving me something in return in the name of reward. It can range from 5 rupees. I'll just press it. Okay, already I have like rupees 35 I have won as reward. So once you pay, something like scratch card will come into this page, which you can scratch, and it will give you some reward. Okay, it will give you some rewards in this page. You can scratch it and see how much reward you have won. It is saying that you can win up to something like if you pay greater amount like 50 or something instead of 10 rupees, you'll be given some scratch card or some rewards. Once you scratch this, you'll get, I have got something like 5 rupees, 7 rupees, 10 rupees like this. So it has totally accumulated like 35 rupees in my Google Pay account. It will be directly transferred to your UPI linked bank. Use this, and don't forget to scratch your reward. Unless you do that, you won't get that amount. So this is it. And time to time, some offers on Google Pay, you can check out what offers are coming, and you can plan your pay according to that. So that's it in this video. It was a very basic video on how to create an account and pay through Google Pay. So it'll be quite useful these days with the drive of cashless transaction. More and more people are going for this kind of payment process or transaction while purchasing household purchases, or doing various kind of monetary transactions. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please like this and share this across various platforms among your friends who would get some kind of help from this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Infotainment, under the playlist of Smart Minds, to get more of the daily use, little or small technical videos. So till our next video, see you again. Thank you.